Hello and welcome back to this course. Today in this video we are going to discuss about this switch statement. A switch statement allows a variable to be tested for equality against a list of values. Each value is case. The variable being switched on is checked for each case. You can better understand this statement when you perform a practical. Looking at the syntax, then first we type the switch keyword, and after that we will give our condition. If that condition is true, then it is definitely going to move in the block of the switch statement. Now inside the switch statement we type the case. You can type as many cases as you want in the switch statement. First of all, you have to type the case, and then you have to give the value, and you have to type the statements. Now that statement is going to execute if we have that particular value, and then we use the break keyword to break from this switch statement. We write many cases in the switch statement, and at the end we give a optional default case that if nothing is going to match with that value, then run this default case, and we give that default case some statements that execute if nothing is matched to that values. So let's look at example. Identify constants and vowels using the switch statement. So let's create this example on our NetBeans. So first of all, I type here system.out.println, enter alphabet to check it is consonant or vowel. So I type here scanner s1 equals to new scanner system.in, and here I type char alpha equals to s1 dot next and dot char at 0. Now what that's mean, s1 dot next dot char at 0? It takes the string. We know that the next method take the string from the scanner class. Now it takes from the string and read only the character at 0 index. Means that it is only going to take the first character of that string and store that character in the alpha variable. Now I have taken the input from the user. After that I type here switch and pass alpha in it. Now in the body of the switch I type here case A, system.out.println, this is a vowel, and break that. Now in case E, system.out.println, this is vowel, and also break that. Now I'm going to copy these two cases from here and paste that here and change their value. I type A, E, I, O, and at the end I type here U. It asks enter alphabet to check it is a consonant or vowel. I type here A, this is a vowel. I type here Z, this is a consonant. I type here P, this is a consonant. I type here U, this is a vowel. So you can see that how the switch statement is working for us. It checks the value of the alpha. If that value alpha match with this case, it prints this statement. If match with this case, it print this statement. If nothing is going to match with these values, then it is going to execute the default statements given in the default case. So let's change this example and write one more example here. We create a MCQ type program that we have a question and we have to answer that question. So I change here. I had a question: which of the following is not a high level language? And now I'm going to copy this statement and type my choices. I type here 1.java, go to the new line and print 2.php, go to the new line and print 3.python, and the 4.machine language. And just add /n here. And now I'm going to change it with int choice as one dot next int. Now I type here choice and to change the case to 1, 2, 3 and 4, and remove this one from here and give default statement that enter correct choice. Okay. So if the first is, we know that machine language is not a high level language, so I just type here wrong and change it to wrong, also change it to wrong and change to true. Now if I run this program, you will see a message: which of the following is not a high level language. The first option is Java, second is PHP, third is Python, and fourth is machine language. We know that machine language is not a high level language. So I type here 4 and press enter. You see true. I run this program once again and type here 3 and wrong. I type here 1, which is also wrong. Now again I type here 90, enter correct choice. So in this way the switch statement works in Java. I hope you understand the logic of this switch statement. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video.